What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over a couple of very exciting things with the overall crypto market. As we're starting to get into Q4 of 2021, we're seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and the rest of altcoins already perform very well. But today we're going to talk about how high these prices are going to go and how long this bull market is going to last. But before we dive into that, it says about 72% of you guys watching are still not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our times, well, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Right now, we are seeing that Bitcoin investors and the entire crypto market is becoming a lot less fearful. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index bounced back basically overnight, going from extreme fear to a neutral level almost in a matter of 24 hours, as we're seeing a lot of investors be much more optimistic for many reasons. One of these is because historically, October, November, and December are historically green months for crypto. So that is a good sign. Other thing going on is we just had a brand new prediction come out from the stock to flow model creator. His name is Plan B. That's what he goes by on Twitter. He came out and said that this second leg of the bull market will have at least 6 more months to go. He said right now we are seeing no signs of weakness, no red according to his on-chain analysis, and in his opinion, we are only midway through this bull market right now. So he says at least 6 more months, and this is important because this is the same person who predicted that Bitcoin's price would close the month of August 2021 at $47,000 per coin. That happened. He predicted that the end of September 2021, Bitcoin's price would close at $43,000 per coin. That happened. He's created the stock to flow model. He has made so many accurate predictions that, you know what, we got to actually take a look at what he says. And when he thinks, based on his analysis, that the bull market is going to last an additional 6 months, well, there's no way to know 100% for sure. Well, it's something to consider, something to definitely take a look at and value his opinion. With how high Bitcoin's price could go, he says $63,000 by the end of October, $98,000 by the end of November, $135,000 for Bitcoin by the end of December 2021, and even higher going into the next few months of 2022. That is very, very promising. Other stories going on is with wide adoption. We are seeing that Switzerland, the National Postal Service in Switzerland, just debuted their first ever crypto stamp, which is in the form of an NFT, on Polygon. And this is very exciting to see. Large companies, large countries, major countries around the world start to actually use NFTs. Right now, we're really just seeing version 1 of this, where they're using NFTs as digital collectibles for stamps. So they're making stamps into NFTs, but eventually this is going to lead into not just collectibles, but more into access. Right now we're in like generation 1 of NFTs. Eventually we'll get into generation 2 and 3, meaning that they're going to become much more practical and useful long term. So right now we're seeing that Swiss crypto stamp is basically just going to provide a digital representation for a physical stamp. It's going to be stored on the Polygon blockchain. You can trade it on OpenSea, and it is very exciting to see this, but I'm expecting big things for NFTs moving forward, not just with countries, but with corporations and individuals moving forward. A couple more stories. First is with Ethereum. Ethereum is looking very, very bullish right now. We have seen Ethereum's price break through $3,000 per coin. And the one thing that is going on is that we're continuing to see all exchange reserves for Ethereum decrease. This is a very bullish sign for crypto, meaning that we could see a supply squeeze as soon as more people start to buy. If there's less Ethereum on exchanges and more people are trying to buy it, well, just supply and demand. Less on exchanges, more people want to buy. It's going to drive the price up even faster. That combined with ETH 2.0 makes me very bullish on Ethereum, and it's one of my biggest investments right now. Last story is with regards to El Salvador. El Salvador Volcanoes have officially started mining Bitcoin, and this is important. You may think, why does this matter? Who cares about what's going on in El Salvador with Bitcoin? Well, the reason it matters is because a lot of people are concerned in the financial world about how much energy it takes to mine Bitcoin, to mine crypto. And with this now new initiative that El Salvador president has done with volcanoes and using the energy from volcanoes to mine Bitcoin, well, it essentially makes mining Bitcoin much cleaner and much better for the environment. So we'll continue to see more initiatives like this that are using much more clean energy to mine Bitcoin. And ultimately, this is going to attract some bigger institutional investors because they like to invest in clean energy and renewable energy companies and resources. So anyways, moving forward, that's what's going on with crypto. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.